4 reasons you will love the Silk Charge & Go 7 IX hearing aids, Volume 1. The Silk IX aids can be worn immediately, your audiologist stock permitting of course, and this gives you the ultimate in convenience. Number 2, whereas some CIC aids can have technology that can be generations behind the equivalent receiver in the canal hearing aid, the Silk IX was launched at exactly the same time as Signia's new integrated experience receiver in the canal model. Thirdly, in the unlikely event that you have to send your Signia Silk 7 IX aids for repair, based on the UK system, the aid will actually be replaced when you report it as faulty, and the whole process takes only 3 working days. And due to clinics being issued with demonstration aids, you may even be able to take a set to borrow for a day or two while your new aid arrives, minimising the time that you are without your hearing aids. And fourthly, the Silk Charge & Go IXs can be supplied with an optional mini pocket remote control, which makes swapping to a different program or adjusting the volume a breeze. Follow me for more about this exciting new device. 4 reasons you will love the Signia Silk 7 Charge & Go IX hearing aids Volume 2. The Signia Silk 7 IX can give you well over 20 hours on a single charge, meaning all day listening convenience. Number 2, the Signia offers the ability to have automatic real ear measurements with a number of compatible audiometers, meaning a more accurate fit to your hearing loss, available to the widest number of audiology professionals. 3, whereas some hearing aids are only available in slightly unflattering flesh tones, the Silk 7 C&G IX is available in super discreet fashion-forward black. And 4, previous generations of the Silk were compatible with only silicone domes or sleeves. The new integrated experience version, depending on your market, can also be specified with a custom tip. 4 reasons you will love the new Signia Silk 7 Charge & Go IX Volume 3. Number 1, the Silk 7 IX uses advanced technology to focus towards the front in noisy listening environments, which is unique to this size of hearing aid. Number 2, reliability. Other CICs are one-off devices, so being produced to a uniform standard should mean increased reliability. 3, with most Silk IX aids being fitted with domes or sleeves, an extra layer of protection is provided against earwax. And 4, ever fallen asleep and realised your aids were in your ears? It's not a problem with the Silk 7 C&G IX aids. The fantastic charging case also works on the go and has a fast charge facility when the aids are low. Follow me for more about these fantastic new devices. 4 reasons you're going to love the Signia Silk 7 Charge & Go IX hearing aids, Volume 4. Number 1. Some hearing aids portable chargers historically have only been portable in name only. The charger for the Silk 7 IX aids can simply slip into your pocket, no rucksack required. Number 2, if you are swapping from an aid with a soft silicone dome like a receiver in the canal aid or a thin tube model, there can certainly be a bit more of an awareness of having something in your ear when you're wearing a traditional CIC aid, with the Silk 7 C&G IX mainly being fitted with domes and sleeves. The physical comfort of the aid is likely to be a lot more acceptable, especially when you are first getting used to the aids. Number 3, the Signia Silk 7 C&G IX's materials have a soft texture, minimising reflections and improving the cosmetics even more. And 4, if you are someone who has a noisy commute, somewhere like say the London Underground where sound levels can reach over 100 decibels, you may want to remove your hearing aids and carry them in the case, and then use noise protection. Now, when you get home, it's nice to know that you don't even need to plug your charging case in, as you can charge it wirelessly. Follow me for more. 4 reasons you're going to love the Signia 7 Silk Charge & Go IX hearing aids, Volume 5. 1. Making a physical adjustment to a custom CIC can be quite a challenge. Firstly, you would need to return the aids to the laboratory, correctly identify what needs to be altered, the size, the venting, etc., and then be patient, hope the lab can carry out your request, and when the aids finally return, that they meet your patient's needs. With the Silk 7 C&G IX aids, many adjustments such as changing the dome size or type can simply be carried out in clinic. Number 2, a patient getting the sound of a CIC aid right can be quite a challenge, as some come without program buttons, remote control compatibility or an app. Fortunately, the Signia C&G IX7 can come with a remote control and a remote app, which allows patients to change programs for different situations and adjust the volume. The Signia Silk 7 C&G IX is easy to identify, as the whole inside part of the aid is red for right and blue for left. And finally, most ears will benefit from the aids being almost invisible, which for many patients is a very important requirement. Follow me for more.